say good morning. No. Let's go get breakfast. Are you feeding Dino? Can you show me how you feed him? What? Show me how you feed Diney.
I like to eat food.
Feed him. Feed him.
Can you feed me the yellow bananas?
Feed them. Can you find the yellow bananas?
Carrots make me feel good like I knew.
Yay.
What?
More, push it again.
Can you feed me the green?
Okay.
Can you feed me the brown potato?
Where's the brown potato? Did I find the brown potato? Is that the brown potato?
Yeah.
Can you feed it to the dino?
Yeah.
Push.
Brown potato. Yay.
Good job.
Potato.
Blueberries.
Baby.
Blueberries. You gonna help me cook your breakfast? What do you want? Yeah, Mommy's making you your waffle right now. I'm gonna cut you up some strawberries.
Oh.
You gonna eat some bananas in the meantime?
Okay. Hot.
What's hot?
Bite. You know bite. You know bite. You bite. You bite.
Yeah, bite.
Bite.
You're gonna have a bite of waffle? You want a bite of waffle? Okay. You want it to go right there?
Yeah.
Here you go. I'm gonna get your sausage. A mess.
Oh, what?
Oh, a mess. Can you put all your waffle on your plate? Good job, buddy.
No, no. Oh. Oh.
That's hot.
Hot. What's that?
It's a sausage.
Hot?
Yeah, sausage. Hello. Good morning. There's a golf ball behind my car. Happy Monday. Happy President's Day. So, I am on my way to the gym. The steering wheel is kind of slippery from that stuff that I used on it. Arlo is home from daycare today. They have like a new teacher training, so he's home at daycare, and Scott was like, hey, I have some time where I don't have a meeting for the next like hour or so. Do you want to head to the gym? And I was like, yes, I do. So it's 10:20. We're on our way to the gym. Do you want to go, buddy? I don't know what's going on right now. Our street is a disaster because there's so much construction. Anywho, we had a good weekend, and I'm gonna do a little probably like daily vlog or something. I haven't actually decided. I have no idea what we're doing today. But we're on our way to the gym, and it's kind of a bummer that it's raining out because I wanted to take Arlo to the park and stuff. It's such a nice, it's supposed to be really warm out today. I didn't know it was supposed to literally rain all day, which kind of stinks. And if you know, once it rains in the morning, you can't really go to the park because it's wet and everything's gross. So I think we're gonna stay inside for the most part. We might play with his bike in the driveway later or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Nonetheless, on our way to the gym, it's way later than what I typically like to go, and I haven't eaten anything, but I should be fine nonetheless. So, happy Monday. Let's get it. Target run complete, and Arlo's eating half of the ball, and you gonna eat the other half?
What?
Oh, your hat's right here. Okay. All right, we just ran to Target, right? He's eating the other half of the bar. We had to go grab diapers because I realized that pull-ups aren't really good for nighttime, so grabbed a big old box of diapers for nighttime and stuff. So, you ready to go home? Let's go. Did a little Trader Joe's haul. I got some hand sanitizer. I like to use this for after the gym. My favorite. Have you used this body butter yet? Have you tried it? It's really good. Doesn't smell like coconuts, which is why I like it. Grab 2 of the Gorgonzola gnocchis. Some popcorn, haven't had that in a while. Some green beans, Haricot Bears, shredded kale. I prefer the shredded kale from Trader Joe's over Tom Thumb, and this one will be good until 3-2. This new pasta I saw caught my eye. It's organic fusilli corti, bucati. No, pasta, I don't know. It's got little holes in it. I don't know, it looks good. And then I got some sauce. 2 of these little guys, I've had these in the past and they're pretty good. They're the Chomps turkey sticks. I don't know, quick and easy. Some light Havarti cheese. This is a new coffee. This is a medium roast with notes of tropical fruit and cacao. Small lot. So we gonna try that. Some blueberry bars for Arlo. Some pomegranate white tea for me. I haven't tried that one before. Some cremini mushrooms. Some Honeycrisp apples. Some broccoli. And a bunch of flowers. I got hydrangeas. 2 packs of hydrangeas. These little, they're called Veronica. Aren't those so pretty? I'm gonna do a thing, but I realize I don't have tape. These guys, which are, I don't even know, wax flower. In the end, these little guys, which are St. John's Wort. Products of Ecuador. So pretty. That's my little haul. guys. I just kind of wanted to conclude this very terrible week in my life vlog. I had Arlo home with me most of the week last week. Just things happened, and school closures, snow, all the things, whatever. But I just didn't prioritize vlogging, and you guys know when I'm with him, I tend to just prioritize him and trying to clean the house and maintain normalcy. So I tend not to vlog as much. So I hope you guys do enjoy the little bit that I did vlog with him. I did mostly Monday. And yeah, I don't know, you guys. I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Next week, I promise, will be a normal weekly vlog, back to normal, regular program, scheduling program, whatever. But yeah, we just had a really nice weekend. Today is Sunday. I've edited the vlog already. I'm just gonna pop this in and upload it for you guys to watch, but I hope you have a great Sunday. We had so much fun yesterday. It was like a rainy, cold, dreary day, but we went to like an indoor park thing. I'll include a little clip of Arlo and Scott going down the slide, but he had so much fun, and one of his friends went with us as well. It was just a really cool time. And then we went to Olive Garden. Super random, but this place was in the suburbs, so it was fun. And then yeah, today we are chilling around the house, having a slow morning. I'm doing a ton of laundry, like everything. And then Scott's sister and boyfriend are coming over, and Scott's making short ribs and chocolate molten lava cake, and we're just gonna hang out and chill. So yeah, a nice relaxing Sunday. But nonetheless, I just want to conclude this vlog. I know it is like by far one of my shortest vlogs that I've ever filmed, but nonetheless, I hope you guys still enjoyed. And yeah, I've got some potentially very exciting news to share with you next week. So I don't want to jinx it. I'm not gonna say anything until it's final, but I'm excited to share with you guys what's coming up in life. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.